welcome to my channel Flying Bees. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe. So today we have okra, or it's also called as lady's finger today.
Yeah, lady's finger. It's a simple okra fry.
So today we have some lady's finger, some
Little bit of onion. We are not going to use this full, and one chili. Yeah,
So now we have kept the pan heated.
to heat.
Yeah.
Sure, girl.
Let's
Enough. Okay, little more. Not that. Yeah. Yes, enough. Oh yeah. Yeah.
So we are going to add some salt.
Pinch of salt.
Let's add some little bit of turmeric.
Pinch of turmeric.
Oh.
A little bit. It's okay. Put some one chili. It's a big chili, not spicy. Okay. Hold the handle. Okay. Make sure it's in the low sync.
So let's put some.
Hold it like this.
Okra.
Okay. Enough. We put everything right.
Yeah.
We'll give a gentle stir. Just slowly hold the handle. Open it. Let me do. Okay, now we will just close the lid. In between, just open and just give a stir. Okay. This is a very simple recipe. This along with some curd curry and rice is the best combination for a light dinner. Okay, we are just going to stir once again. It's simple.
Take them to the next town and enter the forest.
Okay, we are going to off it now. Okay, let it get settled. Okay then.
He entered